the dog with 3 legs. They deserve our love. A lot of people just forgetting and overlook the dog with 3 legs. And maybe they think it's too hard and difficult to take good care of them. Not too difficult at all. Yeah. Look at Halu. Yes, Halu is have really nice life in here, and he never give up in life. Yeah. So this is I learned from him and with the dog with 3 legs. Never give up.
Araya doesn't need any assistance at all. She's completely independent. We're very proud of her, and she surprises us every day with how well she manages despite her disability. She handles everything herself. She finds a way with 3 legs in all her activities. It makes her so special and unique. Everyone loves her and no one cares that she's missing a leg. We don't regret our decision to adopt Araya from Thailand at all.
We should adopting the dog with 3 legs. You're gonna fall in love